Let's go do this. Exciting moment, right? Excited and nervous at the same time. Yeah, look what's in my hand. Yeah. Cucumber juice. Say morning, Fibs. You're drinking juice. Love his green juice. And still haven't finished his breakfast. But he have to drink his green juice. Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Workout is done. It's a brand new day and workout is done and I'm feeling good. Have a bunch of stuff to do this morning, so I'm just going to jump right in after I finish drinking my juice. Baby's off to work. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day so far, whatever time of the day you guys are watching this, whether you're starting the morning with our vlog or you're watching it throughout the day. We thank you, we love you, and if you're new to our channel, don't leave unless you subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam. Anyway, you guys, I have a bunch of stuff to do around here, so make sure you guys get your workout in. Make sure you guys stay humble, stay positive, stay blessed, stay motivated, and let nothing stop in your way of having an amazing day. Mama, yes, Pumpkin? Plain. Yes, it is plain. Let me see. Yeah, this see a plane. He is so used to the camera these days. Alright, get out the kitchen. Mama gonna make breakfast. You guys, it's breakfast time for me. All fresh green juice. Drank my green juice, and now, yes. Okay, Mama, fix it, please. Fibs there. Sit here. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. You guys, it's breakfast time for me. Workout was good, and of course you know what breakfast is gonna be. My same old boring eggs and plantain, but I don't mind. I'll eat eggs and plantain for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Trust me. Anyways, plantain and yes, Tyler, eggs. Let's go. I'm in the kitchen making breakfast. Babe called me and gave me some exciting news, and you guys ready for it? Today is Tyler's first visit to his new school for September. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, just thinking about it, I want to tear up. My gosh. My gosh. So he'll be visiting his new school today. So it's gonna be some kind of like first step of orientation. So I'm pretty excited about it. Oh my gosh. My baby will be going to school officially on September morning. Wow. So he'll be going to school today. So my baby will be visiting his new school today. So I'm pretty excited for orientation day 1. Awesome. Oh, jeez. Tell me, how did you guys handle having your kid go to school at 3 years old for the first time? What was it like? Let me know down below so I can brace myself for all that. Even though I know,
Mama.
I'm saying that now, but I'm gonna cry.
Mama.
Yes. How can I help you?
Mama.
Yes. Look at you here. You need moisturizer.
Mama.
Get out of the kitchen. Mama making breakfast. I'll soon come, okay?
Mama.
Yes.
You did the ice cream.
You want ice cream in there? I can't put ice cream in there. No. You guys, that's breakfast for this morning. Look who's already in. And his own is there. He didn't even finish, but he wants mine. Wait. What is that, Ty?
Eggs.
Eggs. You love eggs?
Expensive.
Yeah. Jamaican boy. Time to create magic in my kitchen. And this is what dinner is going to be tonight. Salmon and veggies. So this is what is this again? Zucchini, broccoli, carrot, and some seasonings. Yes, Punk. Yes.
Bobby, don't do that.
Tell Peppa Pig don't do that. Okay, you go tell Peppa Pig don't do that. Say Peppa Pig naughty. Alright, you guys, these veggies are ready to steam, so I'm gonna do that right now. Out comes steamed veggies and salmon. That's babe, that's mine to go, and this is Tyler's, of course. Tyler going to have some pasta that is in the fridge with his salmon. So dinner is ready. Beep, beep, beep. All.
Swish, 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 swish. Rapid apple, swish, swish, swish.
All through the town. The cat on the bus go.
Up and down. Up and down.
The driver on the bus go.
Up and down.
Stand.
The bus. Jump at the bus. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Get at the bus. Tap, tap, tap. To at the. Say on. Say on. Say on. Get at the bus. Say on. To at the.
You're so cute. I love you. Let's go to bed. A red car, okay, Mama. Gonna give you a red car.
Mama,
Hmm?
there's no car.
Okay, a yellow car.
Car is big car.
Yes, it is 3 car. Bye.
Bye.
Take a nap. You guys, Tyler and I, we're on our way to this appointment right now to see his new school. Tyler, you know where we're going? We're going to see your new school. Yeah. So we are going to go to this appointment by Tyler New School. I'm actually going to meet Babe there. He should be there in about 5 minutes or so. So yeah, let's go do this. Exciting moment, right? excited and nervous at the same time.
Hi guys, and good afternoon everybody. Didn't see you today. Just come back from walk with Tyler at home. We just registered him for school, so that was so we just registered Tyler for school, so that was I would say a big step, but that's always a step when you do new things. So yeah, come September we'll have to go to school. That's the beginning of at least 15 years, maybe 20, maybe more. 20 years of school. Oh, Tyler, t'es prêt à aller à l'école? T'es prêt pour l'école? So Tyler is always excited when it comes about school. So yeah, we did everything. Yeah, that was cool. I'm sure Tyler gonna like it. So I'm here alone. Look at him. Look at him. Qu'est-ce que tu fais, Tyler? You doing gymnastic? Gymnastic? So Tyler is playing tablet. He played a lot recently of the tablet, but well, it makes him happy. He's doing some gymnastic movement. Maybe learn that at school, I don't know. So yeah, hopefully you're having a wonderful afternoon. I'm gonna spend the next hours with Tyler, playing with him. Tyler, c'est bon? Well, Tyler, you ate almost everything. Dinner was good. You enjoy dinner? Oui? Allez, mange encore. Tu manges comme ça avec les mains? Allez, mets dans la cuillère. Mange avec la cuillère. Good job.
You were farm sleeping. He's acting as if he's sleeping. So night, babes. I'm going to bed.
I'm going to bed.
See you guys tomorrow. Give them bisous. Give them kiss. Subscribe.
Catch up and keep up.
Catch up and keep up. Comment.
Bye-bye. Comment.
Like. Catch up and keep up.
Catch up and keep up.
See you guys tomorrow.
Catch up tomorrow.
How do you remember? Hey guys.
We are tired.
I've been back from work for a while now. Put Tyler to bed and iron some shirts for bed, and now I'm ready to go to bed. Oh yes, I watched How to Get Away with Murder.
One more episode.
Only one tonight. I'm getting over it already, but I want to continue watching it.
But it's always the same. The beginning of the season always boring.
And then they give you 2 seconds at the end to do what with it? Ask
like
me.
episode 7, 8, 9 start to back to be
Interesting.
nice, and the last 3, 4, 5 episodes are very catchy. But the beginning, always of the 4th season, the same.
Tyler, school went well today. It was nice registration or whatever consultation it was. He didn't even want to leave. He wanted to go into all the classes and walk around. So that's pretty exciting. Anyway, you guys, Jamaican expression for today is going to be hand to mouth. If you hear a Jamaican say the salary that they're getting is hand to mouth, simple means that it's very little bit, and as they get it, they have to use it and wait again to get some more. so it can only do just what they want it to do. Hand to mouth, as we get the money, it done. There's a song in Jamaica that goes that way. Hand to mouth. Say it.
Hand to mouth.
Yes. What's the French expression for today?
Faire du cinéma.
Okay.
Faire du cinéma. Someone tricking you, or just, for example, Tyler crying or fake crying. You say il fait du cinéma, like it's not real.
Okay.
Yeah.
Faire du cinéma.
You're doing like Tyler?
Yes, I'm trying to work on my R.
Du cinéma. Right.
There you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you guys, if you're new to our channel, don't leave unless you subscribe and click the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.